these items that come as a surprise will add to the project for delivery itself. So if the aircraft is undergoing maintenance in order for delivery to its new operator, any of these surprise items that come up at the last minute will extend the project timeline considerably, which adds not only to additional maintenance costs, additional material and shipping costs, delays in lead time, any...
Sometimes it happens, that they say we need you for a week or two, and then at the end you're like 4 months or something like that, But it is what it is, like it happens a lot with customers that, as Jake mentioned, that do not consider certain stuff, and at the end they see that there's no other way than just having somebody there to do the job. What do you think, Jake? What is your perspective?
For our both speakers, what cost associated with the completion of a purchase project should an owner be aware of